Your life's a mess. You feel stuck. Here's the truth. You're 21 days away from a full reset. No fluff, no vague motivation. Just a straight-up plan to get your shit together. I've been there. Broke, unmotivated, watching life pass me by. You wake up tired even after a full night's sleep. You've got big dreams but take zero action. Ambitious, yet lazy. You procrastinate on everything that matters and beat yourself up for it. But here's the thing. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. And that starts now. Week 1. Remove the garbage. Not just your room, your mind, your habits, and your circle. Cut the noise. No doom scrolling. No toxic people. No excuses. Declutter everything. Clean your room, your car, your workspace. A cluttered space equals a cluttered mind. Audit your circle. Who's dragging you down? Who's feeding your worst habits? Distance yourself. If they're not pushing you forward, they're pulling you back. Brain dump your problems. Money, health, relationships. Write it all down. You can't fix what you won't face. Kill one bad habit. Pick your poison. Smoking, junk food, social media, and cut it cold turkey. Replace it with something better. Swap Netflix for a book. Swap chips for clean food. This is your first test of discipline. Week 2. Build your baseline. Now that the junk is gone, it's time to build solid, daily habits. Sleep like it matters. Same time to bed, same time to wake. Every damn day. Fix your sleep equals fix your focus, energy, and self-control. Move every day. Walk, gym, yoga. Doesn't matter. Just sweat. It's not about getting ripped. It's about proving you can show up. Eat like you care. Ditch the processed crap. Fuel your body. Fuel your mind. Energy. Mood. Focus. It all starts with food. Track your money. Every dollar has a job. Stop bleeding cash. Start budgeting. You can't build a future if you don't control your finances. One habit for growth. Read 10 pages. Learn a skill. Listen to a podcast. Small daily inputs create massive change, but only if you're consistent. Week 3. Level up. Time to push harder and lock in long-term success. Kill distractions. Set app limits. Block time-wasting sites. Stop saying yes to shit that doesn't matter. Time is gold. Treat it that way. Focus on income. If you're broke, your first job is to make more money. Side hustle. Apply for better work. Learn a high-value skill. Money won't fix everything, but it gives you options, and options give you power. Get uncomfortable. Cold showers. Public speaking. Early mornings. Whatever scares you, do more of it. Growth lives in discomfort. Final word. This is your wake-up call. You don't need a miracle. You need 21 days of relentless action. Not Monday, not next month, now. Your future self is begging you to start. So stop waiting. Take control. And if this hits you in the gut, subscribe, follow, do whatever you need to do. We're all trying to level up. Let's get after it.